to learn about animal husbandry. What do you mean by animal husbandry? Animal husbandry is the science of breeding and caring for farm animals. That's what the definition says, right? Since ancient times, humans have been using animals for meeting up various necessities like to gain food, to have clothing, and other necessities. There weren't that much machines invented, so humans used to use animals for doing vigorous work. India is an agricultural country. About 80% of the manpower is dependent on agriculture. Animals have been a greater part of human life. They have been contributing at a large scale, and also due to them and the goods obtained by them, small scale industries were constructed. Management of farm and farm animals. You know that the ancient practice which one used to do confined in a particular field and keeping the animals in that wouldn't give that much yield. So people came up with a concept to increase the yield by improving the farms or introducing artificial farms and keeping the animals in them to increase the productivity. But also, when we are constructing an artificial farm, so the health of animals must be maintained, and for that there were many processes involved in keeping up the animal healthy, providing them with care. Also, whatever the produce is made by that farm is processed properly and then marketed in the market. Many animals such as buffaloes, cows, pigs, horses, cattle, sheep, camel, etc. were began to be used for human welfare. First of all, for starting a farm and introducing animals in that, there are various process or steps one has to go. First is they have to see whether they are yielding high quality breeds, then their food requirements have to be met. Also, then they must be provided with suitable nutrition, and the environment must be cleaned properly. Also, sanitation must be kept in mind. They must be provided with proper vaccination. Dairy means production of milk and milk products. Milk is a very important stuff included in our daily life, which is rich in calcium and is intaken by nearly everyone every day. So selection of good quality of breeds in the farm while taking out milk from them is very necessary. However, in India, cows and buffaloes such as Sahiwal, Sindhi, Gir are some Indian breeds, exotic breeds named as Holstein, Brown Swiss, Jersey, which are used in dairy farms. India also has its official breeds such as Jafrabadi, Mehsana, Murrah, Nagpur, Nili, and Surat. They are all good in producing milk. Cattle are also looked properly and their health is maintained. They are provided with veterinary services, vaccinations. Also, the environment is cleaned and kept clean. Fodder which is rich in nutrition and the required nutrition is provided so that the milk produced is healthy for consumption. Then from dairy industry we get milk products such as curd, cream, butter, ghee, condensed milk, khoa, cheese, etc. apart from milk. So this adds up to the nation's economy. The waste dung cows and buffaloes produce, there are also used in manure, fuel cakes, production of gobar gas, which provides a good source for cooking and as a livelihood. Poultry. Poultry involves caring and breeding of number of bird species. Such as chicken, ducks, geese, turkey, fowls, etc. in order to gain their eggs and meat. However, in India, chicken are the only poultry which are consumed on a large scale. The chicken which are known for laying eggs are known as layers, whereas the chicken which are used for gaining their meat are known as broilers. Now, first of all, for quality breeding of any species, here in poultry Proper and healthy, also disease free breed is needed to be selected. Famous poultry which are known to us, which are American Plymouth Rock, New Hampshire, Rhode Island Red, and Asiatic breeds which include Brahma, Cochin, Langshan. From Mediterranean areas, breeds such as Leghorn, Minoria. From England, for from English, some English breeds which are known are Australorp. Indian breeds include Chittagong, Asil, Brahma, Kadarnath. Leghorn, above from all, is known to be the best layer, while Plymouth Rock, Rhode Island Red, Asil, Brahma, Kadarnath are preferred as broilers. But students, just having layers and broilers lying in the farm is not enough. They are needed to be provided with well ventilated farm. Also, they are needed to undergo debeaking. They need to have proper lighting. Also, water must be kept. Sanitation must be kept in mind. Culling and vaccination must be done. Management of broiler, which includes first selecting the breed, giving them proper houses, maintaining the temperature of the houses, ventilation facilities, giving them proper light, also the proper space, and also feeding of the broilers so that the meat we get is of good quality. However, there are diseases associated with poultry which includes ranikhet, bronchitis, avian influenza, is also known as bird flu, etc. These diseases can affect the meat vigorously, and it can cause the farmer to suffer from huge amount of financial problems. Pullorum, bacterial diseases such as pullorum, cholera, typhoid, TB, CRD, which is also known as chronic renal disease, enteritis, etc. Fungal diseases include aspergillosis, favus, thrush. Parasitic diseases include louse infestation, roundworm, cecal worm infection. These all diseases must be prevented, and so vaccination proves a vital role in maintaining poultry, not even poultry, in everywhere where the animals are being bred. Production farm.